wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best cat clocks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the elelife pendulum features a multi-jointed tail that steadily simulates the motion of your cat wagging his tail when he's agitated. This battery-operated model leaves no unsightly cords hanging down your wall and operates silently. It's available in black or white, however the face has dots instead of numbers, and it runs through batteries quickly. At number 9, the time-roaming Peep cat has a subtle, elegant style that both cat lovers and minimalist design enthusiasts will appreciate. Its face has no numbers, so it looks crisp and simple, save for the curious feline peeking into its frame. It features a quiet, non-ticking movement and a durable metal frame, but it's not always super accurate. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the adorable Launch Innovative Products alarm features vintage bells on top. But the sound you'll hear when you wake up in the morning is cute little kittens gently mewing. It's not a great choice if constant ticking prevents you from sleeping though. It sports a polished chrome finish and 3 kittens on the face. However, it may not be loud enough for some. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cat clocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the black fishbowl is both playful and charming, which will compel kids to look at it and may encourage them to learn how to tell the time. It features a 2 cut-out fish that adds depth to its design and increases the overall sense of whimsy. This one comes in at a budget-friendly price and is made of lightweight acrylic, but the mounting hole is not centered well. Moving up our list to number 6. The Witching Hour Magical Library by Raven Blackwood is certainly not the right timepiece for everyone, but for those with an interest in the occult, it's a distinctive, handsome option. It would look great in a living room or a witch's den if that's more your style. It makes a cute Halloween decoration and the image is printed on vinyl. However, the required AA battery is not included. Halfway up our list at number 5. Any cat lover will agree with the quote on this Primitives by Kathy that will lend any room a homespun flair. Although the paw prints in place of numbers is a cute idea, the lack of numbers makes it difficult for some to tell the time. This one makes a nice housewarming gift and blends with country or rustic decors. It comes with a quality wood frame. At number 4, the Kit Kat Original is an absolute classic. This cult favorite is the same as the original that was first seen adorning walls during the Great Depression. The famous rolling eyes and wagging tail will delight children and adults. There are 20 color options and is made in the United States, though it's not as durable as it used to be. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Allen Studio Designs Kimi Kitty will be a beloved favorite for your child's bedroom or bathroom and will delight anybody who sees it. It features a ticking pendulum bird that extends from its belly, and its minute and hour hands have playful flowers at their tips. This one runs on a single AA battery and sports 3-dimensional design details, but it is a bit overpriced. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cat clocks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the elegant and inexpensive Infinity Instruments tabletop boasts an understated silhouette design with a tail that can be bent to whatever angle you prefer. Its acrylic face is easy to read thanks to the high contrast between its hands and its surface. It features a silent mechanism, classy tapered hands, and a 2-year warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the all-metal laser-cut Ashton Sutton can add a bit of character to any room, with 4 silhouettes showcasing playful feline poses, while the open back allows the wall color to show through. The black matte finish and silver-toned hands blend with any decor. The extra long hands are easy to read, and the clock face is frosted glass. It could be a seasonal decoration. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cat clocks, or simply click beneath this video.